Hey, fellow food enthusiasts, welcome back to. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of lentils, those tiny powerhouses of nutrition that have been a staple in diets around the globe for centuries. If you're ready to learn some fascinating facts about lentils, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Now there isn't just one type of lentil. Oh no. Lentils come in various shapes, sizes, and colors. From the earthy green lentils to the vibrant red ones, each variety brings its unique flavor and nutritional profile to the table. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that lentils are one of the oldest known food sources? Archaeological digs have uncovered evidence of lentils being consumed as far back as 8000 BCE. Talk about standing the test of time. But it's not just about history, it's also about health. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals. They're a go-to for vegetarians and vegans looking to amp up their protein intake. Now let's talk about versatility. Lentils are like culinary chameleons. They can adapt to almost any dish. Soups, stews, salads, or even veggie burgers. The possibilities are endless. And speaking of cooking, here's a tip. Lentils don't require soaking like some other legumes. They cook relatively quickly, making them a perfect addition to your weeknight meals. From classic lentil soups to spicy lentil curries, these legumes have found their way into kitchens worldwide. Their ability to absorb flavors makes them the perfect canvas for culinary creativity. Let's touch on sustainability. Lentils are not just good for your health, they're also great for the planet. They have a lower environmental impact compared to some other protein sources, making them an eco-friendly choice. Well, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the incredible world of lentils. I hope you enjoyed learning these fascinating facts as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more foodie content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty episode. Until next time, happy lentil exploring.